Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Standard 4th, Lesson number 6th, The Oath of Swaraj. This lesson is divided into two parts. Today we will have look on part 1. The temple at Raireshwar. In the southwest of Pune, there was a beauty spot, and that spot was known as Raireshwar. Now, the place Raireshwar was famous for temple, and few Mavlas had came to visit the beautiful spot. In the year 1645, an extraordinary event took place. What was that event? Why did these Mavlas gather there? What did they discuss? And what favor did they ask to Lord Shiva? We shall learn this in the lesson The Oath of Swarajya. The fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Shivaji was very young, but he had big plans in his mind. One fine day, he opened up to his friends, saying, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is very important and which is in my mind for a long time." And then he said, "My father Shahaji was the Sardar of Bijapur Court, and my father has given me this Jagir. Everything you see is going on well and peacefully. But my dear friends, I am not happy at all." And then he said to his friends, "Why should we always eat out of other people's hand? We and our family are surrounded by many foreign kingdoms who are constantly at war, and due to which many of our people get killed during their wars, and many of the family gets uprooted. We and our country suffers a lot of destruction. Now from this, what do we get? Nothing but slavery. For how many years we shall tolerate this?" And then Shivaji said, "Shall we allow this to continue just for the sake of a small watan?" While Shivaji was speaking, his face became red with anger, and he was speaking with great emotion. Now, by his speech, all the young Maulas were thrilled. One of the Maulas said to Shivaji, You please tell us what's going in your mind. Tell us clearly." Shivaji said, "Shall we establish Swarajya? We are ready to do whatever you say," they said in one voice. The Oath of Swarajya. Now, due to his Maula's friends, he got fresh inspiration from their words. Shivaji looked at each one of them and said, "Friends, our path is clear. Now we shall strive to attain our own ideal. Work for it till it is achieved. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindavi Swaraj." Now what is meaning of Hindavi Swaraj? Swarajya means our own Raj, following our own rules. And then Shivaji said, "We will have our own Raj, and if we have our own Raj, we are no longer slaves." And then Shivaji said, Let us take this oath with Lord Raireshwar as witness. We give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Raj Swarajya. The temple echoed the words of Shivaji. God thinks that this kingdom should take shape as Indavi Swaraj. We shall see that God's wish is fulfilled. After that, Maulas left the temple committed to the oath of freedom, that is Swarajya. Shivaji's mind was filled with great joy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went straight to Lal Mahal to see his mother. After meeting his mother Jizau, Shivaji told all the story what had happened to Raireshwar temple. After listening to Shivaji's story, Jijabai got overjoyed with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish what was always in her mind. So, students, here we finished with the first part of this lesson, the Oath of Swarajya. Second part we shall learn in next lecture. Thank you.